challenge.
Are you up to a challenge?
Sure.
Bring it on. Okay. So your challenge today is a bit of a riding position challenge.
Oh,
Look, I'm no expert either, mate. The basics are to have your elbows up and your feet on the pegs properly and easy. Alright, so that's the focus of today. Now if I say, if I catch you with your elbows down or your feet off the pegs more than 5 times, if I have to say it more than 5 times, you fail the challenge.
no.
Now if I say it less than 5 times, or 5 times or less, I'll shout you HJs for lunch. Sound like a deal?
Deal, bring it on.
What happens if I win though?
What do you mean if you win?
Well, if I win and I say it more than 5 times, what do I get?
I have to be your servant for an hour.
Okay, that sounds like a fair deal. Shake on that, boy. Alright, let's go and have some fun in the bush, mate. Alright, let's go.
You go first.
Alright.
Yep. I'm coming after you now.
Yeah. You hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, sweet. Where do we go in? Over here?
Yeah, we normally go
Up this bit here.
Yeah,
And then we'll have it. Remember there's a bike out here too.
yeah, there's like a whack and there might be another truck. You should it though.
Am I going to go?
Yeah, you go
Alright.
first.
Woo! Just take it easy, mate. Don't try and keep up with your lunatic dad. Woo! Oh, let's see how muddy this bottom section is.
Okay.
I'm heading down. Oh, looks pretty good. So it'll be the normal through somewhere a bit different. No, I'm through. Sweet as. I'll come down and watch you.
Oh yeah.
I'll come down and watch you. Oh, you're already through, are you?
Oh gosh.
Oh, no. You're down. Man down. Here. I got it. I got the bike. You just worry about getting on, keeping up. Hand on the brake, man. Always hand on the brake, yeah. Go going, yes. Alright. Head up too, head up.
Okay.
There's mud flying off your tyres everywhere.
Yeah.
You're gonna get me.
Maybe
No, I'm going a different way. Keep focus on what you're doing, look ahead. Yeah, that's good, mate. Pick your lines. You're doing alright, you're going about 22, 21, 22 k's an hour, 23.
Okay.
As long as you know where you're going and it looks pretty good, you can go sort of as quick as you like. You just got to watch the obstacles. Within, when I say quick as you like, obviously within comfort levels. Alright, coming round on your right hand side I am, near the carpet.
Yep.
Right, I've taken the right hand lane and I am through. Left hand lane and I am through.
You feel I left hand lane and I'm going to the middle lane.
And then I went to left, around the cow poo. You can give it a little bit of a throttle there. Oh, good takeoff.
I always go in the French.
Yeah. Yeah, good line, good line. Coming past ya. Woo! See how I'm standing up? It does help, mate. There's a bit of sand there in the middle.
I'm standing up.
Are you standing?
Yep.
Oh, good man. Just do it comfortably. Still elbows out when you're standing. You just get that comfortable position with your knees. Let the knees take the shocks. And you sort of just guide the bike around. You can feel your knees working like against the tank usually, but just do what's comfortable. First go. Woo! These tracks are nice today. What am I doing? 29. Yeah, you should be able to keep up with me pretty much. You might even have to put it in the third gear. And then you come back to second now because it's a little bit more technical, or slower I guess, because you've got to dodge the puddles.
No, I just went on the left track.
And you just cruise around, mate.
You reckon? Oh yeah.
Chuck a little mono. Don't you do that though?
Yeah, I won't.
There you are. Cruising, mate. Yeah, elbows alright. Yeah, out. Feet on the pegs. You beauty. Keep going, mate. I'll catch up. Woo! Yeah, your left elbow's a bit down. Alright, pick your line. Look ahead. Look ahead. You got to be looking a couple obstacles ahead.
Now I want to go to the left here.
Yeah, good choice.
Then through the middle.
You need to yell, mate. My exhaust is too loud.
I'm going
I
off
would
the
have
top
gone down the
right.
middle, mate. But I'm a bit bigger. I couldn't fit under that tree like you.
Now I'm going through the middle there.
I'm watching that left elbow, mate.
Whoa.
We're at 1 point to me.
Okay.
Right elbow's really good. We're going through the right lane.
Right lane, yeah.
Come on, keep up, keep up. I'm only going 23. Stand up if you have to. It's all good track, there's nothing to really worry about. A little bit bumpy, but it's good traction.
Oh, it's down here, there's like a bit of a course. There might be some puddles here.
Some puddles here, that's alright.
No. Okay, I made it.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah, that was easy actually.
That should be pretty easy. It's a little bit of sand, but it's not too soft.
Whoa.
Don't try and turn in that sand too much. Just little, you got to kind of keep your line in the sand, so pick a line and keep to it. It's a little bit soft here. I'm going to take the rear camera off, so just stop there. I'm going to follow you through this sandy bit, because I know you love the sand, eh?
No, I don't.
No one loves sand, man.
Okay.
Actually, I'll go on the opposite shoulder just so I can video you. You hold your line. That's it. Elbows are good. Well done. That right foot on the peg. Not sure about that. Yep, hold your line. Just worry about getting through. Cool. Just enjoy the ride, bro. Woo! I nearly came off. Whoa! It's a bit wild in the sand. How fun is riding in the bush though, eh?
Yeah. With mics that we can talk to.
Do you just get a smile on your face as you're riding through, or you still like concentrating so much? Sounds like you're concentrating.
Yeah, I am.
You learn to just, I mean, we're not doing anything crazy, we're just riding through nice and slow, so it's just to make it fun, man. Yeah, no worries here. Come through, come through.
Okay.
And then straight ahead again, man. Come through, come through.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, I'm fine.
And then, look here. There's a few good ruts. We might just stall it. And then go up into this track here. Now you got a choice. I'm just going to go through here because I'm a bigger bike, but you could probably fit around that tree or just come my way.
I'm going to come your way.
Yeah, it's easier. And then you're out. A little bit sandy, but not too bad. Once you get out of that, it's just nice hard track again. So you should go flying straight past me any second now. With a big smile on your face. Are you flying past me yet? Yeah. So look at those elbows, they're pretty good. Left elbow's a bit harder to keep that one up, I guess, but you just need to, eh?
Yeah.
So I don't want to see it down in near your body. That's better. Coming up on your left.
Yeah. Getting close to the open area.
Can't hear.
Oh, we are getting closer to the open area.
Oh, yeah. It's good how you remember these things. Oh, you can go anywhere here, right or left. I went right, then left. Meow. Meow. Bit of loosey rear wheel. Alright, when you come around that corner nice and steady, come around on your left and keep to the left. And then it gets sandy, man, nice and sandy. That might be where you've come off before, I'm not sure, on the last trip. I'll just wait for you up here, don't want to lose intercom. It's the KLX110. And keep going, bro. Oh, look at that thing go. It's a beast.
I actually like this part. Where you go down and then you go up.
That was cool. Keep looking ahead. Good news is elbows are good. Left elbow. I keep saying it. I think that's 2. I'm going to count that's 2. Alright, do you reckon I'm... Oh, stop. a left here, son. We take a left.
Okay, I'll be ready to go to the left. You
You need to yell, mate. I can't hear you.
Well, I don't like yelling.
That's better. I can hear you now.
There's a corner here.
Yeah, and it's a little rocky creek sort of thing. Oh no, it's all dry.
If you like go to the left or right, there's a bit of a path.
Yeah, stick to the right. That's it. I don't know what all the audience is going to think of that left elbow, Cal. There we go. That's better. Hey, cruising good through here, mate. Good speed. Just always extra careful with the sand. Remember, it gets sandy here.
Tuesday, there's so many things.
Oh, he's pretty excited. We got the vouchers.
Oh, this looks pretty good.
Nice shout, eh?
Let's go to the most expensive one.
The most expensive one. There we go, Hungry Jacks.
My treat.
So here we are, HJ's. It's my turn to pay up. Cal's ordered the most expensive meal, and fair enough, he rode well, so I'm happy to shout. HJ's, here we are. Yeah, g'day mate. I've got a voucher for a 2 Hunger Tamers meal. Okay, thank you. Awesome, thank you.
Look at that. The burgers are better. Hungry Jack.